Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today all I wanted to do was I'm redoing my living area and I ordered a gallery wall from Desenio. I think that's how you say it. So I just got the package. It took a little long, but I was happy to wait. I just got the package and I wanted to unbox it so I can kind of show you guys how their orders come. I'm a little nervous though because this is how it came, and it's kind of opened. I didn't do this. It came like this, so someone was obviously looking in the package. I don't know why. So all right, I'm gonna open this. I'll be so upset if all the pieces are not in here. It doesn't look. It's oh my god, it's open on both sides. I don't understand why. I ordered 6 pieces. Well, not pieces, but I ordered 6 prints and 6 frames. Okay. 6 prints and 6 frames. What? Okay. All right, nothing to be worried about then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay, cool. All right. So I was just really nervous. Opening this right now because both ends were open, so that's not really secure. It wasn't taped down or anything on the sides. I'm not sure why that was, but okay. So I opened it up, and this is what it looks like. All the prints. We ordered a few different sizes and then one really, really big one. So I'll take them out and I'll show you guys. That just scared the crap out of me because I'm like, ugh, I don't really want to have to go through having to contact customer service or anything because I already had to do that once. Not with these people, but okay. So the first one that I got was this size. It's 8 by 12. And I got it in this light cream color, and then, which I don't remember getting, but that's fine. And then we got another 8 by 12 in black. Did I get 7? Oh my god, I don't remember anything. Okay, and then I got 3 12 by 16s, and I got one in white. So the kind of wall we're going for is just different frames, but all kind of coordinating with the colors that we have right now. And then I got another 12 by 16, and this is in the color oak. I'm doing this with gloves on, by the way, just because we literally just got this package and I don't want to touch it with my bare hands. And this is the third 12 by 16 in black. And then last, we got a 20 by 28, which is white. Okay, and then all the way on the bottom, underneath all the frames, is this, and I'm assuming the pictures are in here. It's like a folder. So let's open these bad boys up. And it says there is art inside, so that's definitely where the paintings are. My hands are sweating in this. Okay. Oh, so nice. Okay, cool. So. Okay, cool. All right, so just gotta make sure all of them are in here. Dope. Okay, so this is one of the first 12 by 16s that we ordered. Nice. I like that it's not rolled up, so it's not crinkled in the thing. This is the second 12 by 16 that we ordered. So the most expensive part about all of this is just the frames, which I understand why. But the prints, they're between 10, a little less than 10 and a little over $10. depending on what exactly you get. I think this is an 8x12. And then, it won't stay. This is the other 8x12. You can kind of see like the pattern that we were trying to go for. This is one of the 12x16s. Is that right? Yeah, 12x16s. And this is, it's so funny. This is the 20x28. Fun. Alright, so those are the prints and the frames. So, okay, nothing to be worried about. It came with this bubble wrap inside, so everything's kind of secure. It came with more than this, but I'm just showing you like what it is. And then at the bottom is our like receipt and our I guess our invoice of like everything that we ordered. So I'm gonna put these together and then I'll show you the finished product. It also came with this inside. That really scared me. I'm not even like over it right now. This first one's not gonna be a time lapse. You probably know that now because it's just plain normal, but I just want to show you how it, oh, no, that's not good. I just want to show you how it works. So this is all wrapped up in this plastic, and then let's flip it over. And, oh, you can just put it down. And this is what the back looks like. It's so hot in here. You don't have to open a window. I'm just saying. Lift this up. And then put that on the floor. And then put the big one in. Oh, there's protection film. Okay, I'm gonna do this with my gloves off. This is so like sweaty. And I'll just wash my hands after. I was like, don't even tell me that there's just like a lot of misleading things that is happening. Cool, so it doesn't get scratched. Alright, and then put this one in. Make sure it's flat down there. Okay, and then you lock them. You have to get locked into these little, yeah. Just like that. Alright, cool. Dope! So this is what the biggest frame looks like. It's so funny. Ah, cool. I'm happy with it. Alright, we're just gonna do the rest really fast, and then I'll get back. So we just finished putting on, taking off the film from the clear protector, and then we put the prints in the frames, and this is the finished product. So this one's 20 by 28, and then we have our 8 by 12, and then our 12 by 16. So I think it looks awesome, and now we're gonna hang them up on the wall and put together our gallery wall. Okay, so I think overall the because of this time right now, like shipping is delayed because of COVID. So shipping aside, I think overall it was a pretty good experience. They actually gave me a little bit of a discount because because we waited so long, but we only waited like 3 weeks, which isn't that bad. And the quality of the frames are pretty good. I like that they have the film on the clear thing to protect the, what is it called? The screen of the frame. I love the prints. I think that I would give them a 9 out of 10 because the way that it was shipped was like really sketchy. It just really looked like someone like went in and tried to open the package, because both end sides of the box like weren't taped at all, so it's like the prints could have like fell through that gap, so I didn't appreciate that. But overall, I think it's a pretty good gallery wall we've got here. Was it completely worth the money? I think it could have been a little cheaper, but let's see how it looks on the wall, and then I'll let you know. Okay, so we finished the putting the gallery wall up, and this is the finished product. Let me actually do an overview. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching my review on Desenio. Again, I love it. It looks so good. It like completes our living room because it was kind of empty and bare. Well, it looked empty and bare, the wall, because it's such a long, such a high ceiling, such a high wall. So I think that's like the perfect thing to like fill up the space. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye!